I beat Raz with d5 c6 and Isle of Man many moons ago, but I'm just gonna go g6. I beat him with d5 c6 or something. Okay, let's play something. He's probably gonna go c3 though. He's gonna play one of these sidelines. No, okay, let's take. Wait a second. Let's go here. Let's go here. Attack the knight. And go queen b4 here. I think I'm just gonna go queen c7. If he goes knight c3, I just take. Let's take. Let's go here. Halo, halo, halo. If c5, I just take and go like d6. Halo, 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 halo. See, halo, halo, halo. He can go c5. I mean, I probably should just pre-move it in case he does it. I don't think he will, but okay, he does. Okay. Kick the knight back. I have queen a5, bishop a6. I mean, I think I'm okay here. I can even go like a5, but I mean, knight e5 looks pretty good. You can also just castle. I think I'm just going to castle first and maybe a5, a4. I'm going to go a5, idea a4, knight e5, bishop a6. Multiple plans here. Let's go here, try to trade off the bishop, c4. Okay, now I have to come with a move, though. I don't really want to play... Actually, I should not have done this. So go here. I think I'm going to go a4 and probably take, and maybe e5 here. So I'll take. Takes with a queen, which I think is slightly wrong. I go c8 or b8. I think I'm going to go to c8 here. I have rook b8. Knight c5 somewhere. I mean, I'll just go here. Maybe rook b4. If c5, I just trade the bishops. Tricky position to judge. Very, very tricky. I guess I'll go knight c5 here. I basically want to stop this bishop from ever becoming active. h4, logical move. h5 doesn't look right. I can go e5 here. I don't like it. Don't actually like my position just in general here. How do I do this? Go a3 maybe. Don't like it. I'm gonna go f6, which probably is wrong, but I mean, I'd e6, but I also just g7 maybe. I still bishop e7. I still have e5. I mean, see what he does. My bishop on a6 is my problem. This bishop is my big issue here. If this bishop was on f7, I'd be completely fine. I think I have an idea here, actually. I have an idea. I just want to go 1-2. Yeah, like now I'll put the bishop on e6, and I think I'm fine. This is my plan. I mean, I don't know if this is actually good, but I think I should be fine now. Like, I go here, knight d7. Don't know if I should play h5. But I think I will. Let's just go h5. Drop the bishop back. Just play simple chess here. I don't know why I did rook 8. That's just a bad move. Knight b3 is good enough to force a draw. Queen a5 looks like a move, so I'm going to play it. Not that it does anything, but I'll play it anyway. Again, knight b3 is good enough to draw. Or is it? Wait, no, it's not. He's got rook. Oh, I blundered queen h6. Oh my god. Oh my god, I blundered queen h6. Holy shoot. Okay, I'm gonna go e5. Oh, yeah. Wake up. I missed this completely. Oh yeah, what was that? Okay, knight b3 is again good enough to force a draw, I think. Knight e6 is the attempt to try and win, but it's so risky. Still gonna try it though. Doesn't do anything. Gotta move, you gotta move. I also had queen a5. And I blunder this too. Wait, with queen c4, there's queen a3. Wait, this gets a little bit tricky. No, this doesn't work, does it? Doesn't work. Oh wait, he didn't go. No, I'm just lost here. I've got no tricks. Oh, I blundered that too. Yeah, I lost. Yeah, it's enough. Or didn't mean to do that, but anyway. Yeah.